One thing about YouTube is that getting monetized is not where the work ends. Getting monetized, yes, we are rushing for the 1,000 subscribers, we are rushing for the 4,000 watch hours, and then when we get it, we think, oh, we can now relax. Yes, you can relax, but when you relax, just know that you might be earning low. Some people are here on this YouTube space, they are monetized, but they are earning low. That is why you see somebody that has plenty subscribers, they are dumping their channels, but their subscriber count is kind of plenty. Why? Because what they're earning from that particular channel is low. You might be looking at the subscribers and you're thinking, oh, for somebody that has this amount of subscribers, the person's pay would be so big. No, it does not work that way. You can have like 50,000 subscribers, but still the amount of dollars you're getting from that particular channel is nothing to write home about. So you should find ways to increase your YouTube revenue. It's not like the amount of subscribers will determine that you would have a whole lot of pay. And in this video, what this video is here to do for you is to tell you how to increase your YouTube revenue. Yes, some of us are neglecting this, thinking that, oh, once we get monetized, the pay would be big. No, YouTube have not shocked you yet. That is why you're thinking that way. Now, you have to watch this video as somebody that is aspiring to get monetized, or as somebody that is already monetized but the pay is still low. Do these things that I'm about to show you in this video. If this is the video that you would like to watch, do also subscribe, like, share, and comment, and let me go ahead to tell you what I have to tell you. Before now, YouTube have sent this message to almost all the creators, the YouTube creators, telling them that by the time May 12th, they will start doing the automatic mid-ad rolling or something like that. So this is a message that they sent. Starting May 12th, 2025, we will improve mid-roll quality by showing more ads at natural breakpoints. This will reduce the number of mid-roll ads shown in interruptive ad slots. And after reading the whole text, they would give you an option where you have to choose between two things. They will say, choose turn on automatic ad slots in addition to your manual ad slots, and they will say it's recommended, or you opt out of additional automatic ad slots and continue managing manually. If you are someone that is already monetized, this message you would see it, and I would advise you to choose the first one, the recommended, that one that they recommended for you. Choose it. What that thing means is that once you create a video, they are going to place ads in those natural breakpoints, those places that when they play an ad, it will not interrupt your audience viewing. They would automatically place them there. And in addition, you can as well do your manual. After they have placed the others there, you can now insert the manual ones. So I advised you to pick this one because you yourself, you wouldn't know your natural breakpoints. You wouldn't have time to record. For those of us that don't really have time to start knowing when we took breath or when we did this or that, we don't really have time to record all those things. So when we leave YouTube to do it, they will do it automatically first, then we'll come and add more to what they have already done. That is why I said use this one, the recommended one. Now, don't just stop at choosing this, because sometimes you will make a video and YouTube will just leave it like that. They will not even add any ad placement. They will not insert any advertisement slot in between the video. A whole video can play and nothing would be shown as an advert, which is not really going to earn you some money as a content creator. So what you have to do is to place some ads by yourself. You might do the automatic way. YouTube will not add anything. Go ahead and add some breaks in between. So what I usually do is I'll go to that particular video and little by little I'll start inserting that slot, that ad breaks, right? At the end of the day, maybe I'll insert 20. YouTube might tell me that 15 of them, they are in the wrong place. At least I got 5 right. Isn't that so? So that is the way to do it. That is the way to go about it. Because if you leave YouTube, YouTube will leave you, and at the end of the day, you'll be crying that you did not really get any pay. The pay is from the adverts that people watch. So if adverts are not placed in your video, what do you expect? there will be no money, there will be no revenue. So you have to do the necessary things, which I'll be showing you in this video, and I'll be teaching you how to do it in a simple way. So at the end of the day, that's your YouTube revenue that is always low would increase. Okay, let people watch more ads in your video. Don't be scared. YouTube would not sanction you for placing many at once. So let me just show you what to do and how to insert ad slots to your videos. So first off, go to your Google Chrome. In your Google Chrome, you're going to type in YouTube dashboard. Then you would see this first one. When you click on the YouTube dashboard, it's going to take you to your channel page. Mine is loading at the moment, so it's going to show me my channel page, which is this, right? Now you have to select the particular video you want to tamper with, that is, you want to place ads in. These are some of my videos that these ones I scheduled them, though you can tamper with both the one that you have already published and the ones that are yet to publish. Anyone, just click on it, double click, and then go to this side. You'll see this dollar sign. In this dollar sign, click on it, and then you would see manage ad slots. Make sure you come here to do it yourself, because if you leave YouTube to do the automatic one for you alone, they might not really add much, slots for you. But when you tell them to do it and then you come again to see what they have done and do more, then you'd get more. I'll click on manage ad slots, and as you can see, I've already added many. Are you seeing what I added? These are the things I added, and do you know that YouTube might just play like 5 ads or 4 from all those things that I added. So don't be scared in adding these amounts for them to use, because at the end of the day, they might just play 2 or 3. So just give them many options to play from. Now, these are the ads that I placed myself, and these ones that are on red are those ones, or are the ones that are not placed the right way. YouTube are telling me that these ones on red is not a natural breakpoint, so it's not valid. But you have to do it for all of them for them to give you this report. Like I did it for this particular one, and you see that after their processing, I saw that it is only this small amount that is not in the natural breakpoint. I was just placing ads in between. I did not really know the natural breakpoint. I was just placing ads. Do you get? And that was that. So let me just show you how to place it yourself. You see this arrow that I'm moving right now? Is it arrow that I'll call it, or line? This line that I'm moving, you have to move it to the area that you want. Let me use this small space. Once you place it here, when you go up, like you're going up, you will see insert ad slot. Once you click on it, you see this white one now is the one that I just placed now. So these are the things that you have to do so that you get ads playing in your video. Like if I take this right now and I place it here, if I go up, I'll just click on this insert ad slot. As you can see, you're seeing another white one, right? That was the one I just placed. So I'm going to continue. Once you continue, you click on save. If you save it, you see the report that YouTube will tell you. Consider moving some of your manual ad slots for better chances of showing ads. They are telling you this because they observe that there are red ones. So let us click it again and see. You see the one I just added recently is not really where it's supposed to be. Because I think I added this one that is here. I'm thinking, yeah. I added this one. So this is not a natural breakpoint. So you have to do it for the whole of your video. Just add the slots in small bits. So at the end of the day, you added a more natural breakpoint. Because this particular video, when YouTube automatically added their breakpoints for me, the thing was not, I think it's up to 3, just 3. But see now, the grays are much. So that is one thing you should do for your video for you to get much revenue. See, they said you now can see which ad slots are unlikely to show ads. So these ones that have this red sign are unlikely to show ads. I can go ahead and delete them, or I'll just leave it like that, but I know that it will not show ad at that breakpoint. So it's left for you. See this one now. Are you seeing it? This is the automatic, but you see the manual that was valid. This is manual. I was the one that placed it myself. Manual. I placed them myself. So you see that you have to, you see, majority of it are manual, and the manual there worked. Are you seeing it? I'm having just how many? I think I'm even having just one automatic. Are you seeing it? Just one, and the rest are manual. I did it myself. So if you just leave YouTube to do the work for you, that is where you would not receive much payment. Now, you see that out of everything that I did here, it is just one that YouTube put for me. But I came here and I did it myself, and you see the multiple options that I have. So always come here to check it out yourself, okay? So I hope you've learned a thing or two. Don't just leave YouTube to do the work for you, because if you leave them, it might not favor you, it might favor others. So you have to choose the recommended, that is, tell them to do for you, and then go ahead to do yourself, so that you and YouTube should do the work of adding slots, inserting ad breaks. You and YouTube should do the work together. Don't just leave YouTube to do the automatic method for you, because they might just add two adverts for you in a video. But when you do it yourself, plus the one that YouTube did for you can be having like five at the end of the day. So don't just depend on what YouTube is doing for you, right? Thank you so much for watching. If you watched to this point, do want to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.